Choosing the right air filter can make a big difference in your home's air quality and your HVAC system's performance, and it's easier than you might think once you know what to look for. One of the most important things to look at when choosing a filter is the MERV rating, which tells you how effectively the filter captures particles. Filters with higher MERV ratings capture smaller particles, while lower ratings allow for stronger airflow through your system. Choose the highest MERV rating your system can handle to maintain proper airflow. Here are some of the most common types of filters. Pleated filters have more surface area, so they capture more particles, and many are electrostatically charged to trap microscopic debris. Adjustable filters are designed for non-standard openings, with extended sizes available for vents and room air conditioners. Reusable filters can be cleaned and used again if you follow the manufacturer's instructions. How often you change your air filter depends on factors like whether you have pets, your home's size, allergies, and even the time of year. Although you should always defer to the filter manufacturer's specifications for details. Here are some general guidelines. Replace all HVAC air filters at least every 3 months to keep your system running efficiently. Non-pleated filters should usually be changed every month, while pleated filters can often last up to 3 months. Before buying a new air filter, check your current filter dimensions to get the right size. Air filters work with your HVAC system to clean the air throughout your entire home, while air purifiers are standalone units designed to clean the air in a single room. Depending on your needs, you may choose one or use both to improve your home's indoor air quality. With the right air filter, you'll breathe easier and keep your system running strong. So head to Lowe's and find the best option for your home.